Today, the sacred day of the Saitika, I bow my head in reverence. I'm gonna visit this temple standing tall through generation. This was built by my grandfather 100 years ago. This temple is not just made of stone, tile, bricks, and metal, but it is a devotion, labor, and vision of my ancestors. It was built for worship, for gathering, for celebration. Down. That's Vito. Vito. Barcelona. Start this video with my mom. My mom. So beautiful. Let's watch her for a minute and rest in peace. Hello. And this is Yadav. So today we are going to start our prayer, but before that we are going to our Kul Devta Than, which is called her name is Vaishnavi Devi. And then we are getting our stuff in the video because we took so much time to make this, prepare this. Prepare this, हैन? अब हामीलाई त्यो मन्दिरमा लानलाई छ नि भयो बन्नु Kesari, rice and yogurt to make this paste, which we put as blessing from elders to younger ones as tika. And then with that we also give some chamara to put to the on. This is Yadav. He helped me all through Dasai. He has been very helpful because in Dasai there is no people to help. So he was here and he was helping me a lot with the housework. Okay. So now we are going to start. धेरै पैसा कमाउनु अनि मलाई पनि दिनु ल अब अलि यताउता टिका लगाइदिन्छु यता आउन दिनु. So this is how we do the ceremony. He's my assistant, so I'm giving him some blessing. पैसा दिन्छु ल. जमरा, this is जमरा. कानमा लगाइदिनु ल. ल अब तिमी समातेर त्यो अड्क्यो ठिकै छ के गर्नु ल. ल गरौँ. Preparing to go to our Kuldevi Mandir. That mandir was constructed by my great-grandfather, grandfather. So we are preparing some condiments to offer to the goddess. That's it. So we are going to the mandir built by my grandfather. It was built many years ago, and the marble of the temple is brought from, because there was no marble, so my grandfather brought it from Japan. So let's go there. I'm going to show you guys the mandir. This is the dupatta. I'm wearing this. Usually in olden times we used to wear dupatta and go for puja, but now in modern times we don't need. Dupatta is already old story. This is the dupatta. Some माता त हैन उसको छन्छ आयो this is the pujaku stuff we are carrying and some of the other stuffs are carried here. Okay, and here we are reaching our mandir very soon. That's our driver for today. Hi, Banduna.
Hi.
How does it look? Very nice. Beautiful. Right. This is the door, right? Uday door. That is the door of the mandir. This mandir is situated near Paisipati. There is a very big hospital here named Medi City behind this mandir. And this is the Vaishnavi Devi. भित्रै जाम दिन्छ नि दिन्छ मैले हिजो अस्ति मात्र गएको गाडी लिएर त्यहाँनिर ब्याक गर्ने ठाउँ छैन सिधै जाने हो सिधै निक्लिने हो अब ल सिधै जानु छिर्छ होइन त्यहाँसम्म लानु न अर्जुन होस् गरेर खोला ल गाडीको ढोका त्यहाँनिर ए ल भइहाल्यो नि यति त हो नि यसरी ब्याक गर्ने नि अब के गर्ने त पहिला गाडी रोक्ने ठाउँ थियो अहिले छैन लेट्स गो आऊ जाउँ ल जाउँ छ ल This is the mandir. We are approaching the mandir. यहाँ भित्र चाहिँ आउन कस्तो ठाउँ बनाएको छ ल चुनरी लाल चुनरी नाइ ल ल्याउ न मन्दिरको पूजा गर्ने कुराहरू So we have approached the mandir. I'm going to carry. Let's go, guys. We are going to the mandir. It doesn't look like a big mandir, but there is a very nice mandir inside. It is. कति वर्ष पुरानो होला त होला 120 120 years old. पहिला घुमौँ न आऊ घुमौँ राइटर हो ए ल we are going round तिमी उता गरेर रेडी गर न भइहाल्यो सो this is the mandir and there is my grandfather's name here Udaylal Guru Acharya. It was 1994 भनेपछि कति वर्ष भयो पुरानो अहिले 84 हो हैन around 100 years old and there is a photo come त्यहाँ मेरो एउटा अझ प्लास्टिकको ब्याग थियो नि अघिको त्यो पनि ल्याइदेऊ न गाडीबाट या कम यता या छ होला नि सोध न मन्दिर पुजारी and here my father also donated. This is my father's name Vinay Guru Acharya. He also donated because this from Japan because that time 100 years ago it was not in the market in Nepal so he brought it. यो टाइलको फोटो खिच न भिडियो त्यहाँ सरर पछाडि गएर खिच गएर पछाडि गएर खिच उसले अर्जुन ल्याइदिन्छ नि यहाँ छ ऊ बत्ती बलिरहेछ एउटा यता हो यता ल यता 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 यो एरियामा आउनु ल सबै रेडी गरौँ एकछिन पज गरे हुन्छ बोल्दैन नि आउँछ मलाई ल बत्ती बलेको खिच ल भइहाल्यो अब यहीँ राखिदियो होइन यो खिच ल अलिकति नजिकसम्म त्यो 1 2 5 गरेर खिच न ल खिच्यो अब let me take out my sunglasses so we can perform the puja भयो रेडी ल मलाई सट्ट दिँदै गर म गर्छु ल देवी जौहरू अलि बसेर गर नि बसेर पर्दैन आउँदैन पैसा ल देवी यो भयो होइन खोलेन नि दही चाहिँ कसरी चढाउँ म यही राख्यो है यही फुटाइदियो फुटाउने कहाँ भन न यही फुटाइदियो है मेरो मम्मीले यही फुटाउनु हुन्थ्यो क्या यो त फुट्दैन होला ल अब भयो यो सबै निकाल्यो होइन तिमी कभर गरिदेऊ न ल ल आऊ तिमी त यताबाट घन्टा ए यो त दिनै पर्छ ल अब अगाडि छ झोलामा त्यो खानेकुरा छ कि होस् मिठाईहरू छ बाहुनले लगिहाल्छ एकछिन लान्छ एकमा ल ल घरको फुलहरू We do this, we ring the bell so the god and goddesses will hear our prayer. That's why. This is Trishul. It's a weapon or a symbol that is of another god, male god, known as Shivaji. यता लाइट छ नि त. So this is Hanuman. Hanuman त हो नि हैन? हो कि गरुड हो? I don't know. ल भयो बन्द गर. So this brings us to the end of this video. We are now going to grab some food. We are all hungry after all this thing. Waiter, she has brought food here. We are going to take food here. Such a nice place. A lot of food here. Whatever is this, and we have ordered that.